Hey everybody, how you doing? So first off, sorry, I know I said every Tuesday, but last week I didn't have anything to film, so I didn't do any on. I did this one on the weekend, and finishing editing it right now, so I know it's going to post late, but I'm going to try have it done by Tuesday night, which is now, and hope you enjoy it. I'll try keep sticking to the schedule. It's just sometimes work and get a chance to film my private stuff, so anyway, enjoy this one. There's some behind the scenes, there's some examples, there's some cutaways. Anyway, enjoy. What's up, guys? Sorry if it's noisy. I'm here in Santon. This is the... Where's this one? This is the Glen Almond Hotel in Santon. There it is there. If you want to check them out. I need to stop looking at the screen and look at the camera. I should obviously hide a little bit. Yeah, so we're going to do a little quick shoot with her here by the pool, maybe around the garden and stuff, and see how it goes. Testing out the new Rode mic, so I hope that sounds better. And we'll do some video of Carrie, which I've never done. I've only done photos of her. So see you there. Okay, the gear's ready. Waiting for Carrie to get here. But it's kind of hot even though it's overcast, so quick change. Say hi.
Hi.
So we did the whole shoot finished.
It's great.
We'll
So great.
send some pictures, and if you want to see it, you can follow Carrie. I'll tag her. Anyway.
Bye guys.
That was stupid. Okay, just thanks for watching. I'll try to have the next video up by Tuesday morning. If not Tuesday afternoon, but I'll try to have it done. And as usual, if you liked it, like. If you don't like it, dislike. And then if you want to see more, just subscribe and we'll get back to you next week. Peace.